In this AlignMix how-to video, you will learn how to install international maps into AlignMix. Now there used to be a different way of doing this. You would have to go to the AlignMix website, select which country you wanted to install, and do it that way. Now we've changed that. You can now do all of that right from the AlignMix application. But before we begin, make sure you've installed the newest version of AlignMix onto your computer. Just simply go to File and then click on Update Application, or go to alignmix.com/download to download the newest version and then install it. Now back to the international maps. So to get there, simply click on File and then click on Download and Install Geography. Click. And from here, you can download any of the files that you see here. If it's grayed out like you see Canada and UK, that means it's already installed on your computer. But what I don't have installed yet is Australia. So if I click on Australia and I click on Download, that download process will begin. After it's downloaded, you'll see this pop up right here. So simply just click OK. Now if we wanted to view that Australia map, click on File, click on New Project, and then select Australia from the drop-down menu and then click Finish. AlignMix will now load the Australia map and you can now view it and create sales territories in Australia. And there you go. You've just learned how to install the international maps into AlignMix.